Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to play the new chess.com bots. Chess.com means Duolingo, new bots for the Duolingo characters app. Okay, let's play the out drill, and then rating, challenge, random color. Okay, I have white, let's play one if. Right there, 3. Spring C3 take D4 should be 5. Let's trade queens. Okay, let's save a bishop. Okay, 1. Okay, castle by hand. Give a check. Should fall. Should C2. Yes, develop. Train. Yeah, center. Take weapon. Yeah. Correct take. G3 protect button. Yeah. Stay welcome. aggressive draw. Who's got a bishop? I just stay here. Wait. Okay, because he cannot live here, so I will push up one. Okay, Joe, take that, Joe. Stop wasting my time, Joe. Said Joe. Said Joe.
A few moments later.
It's still middle. And I push, take up.
Good.
Okay. Now I can do it all. False. Now I just have to take weapon and bishop up in full face set off. After bishop takes this pawn. Adrian. Death game.
One eternity later.
Okay, finally. Take weapon for bishop. And who does not take? A bishop. It's just it though. Okay, finally. I managed to make a draw versus Duolingo, but okay, let's analyze that game. Revenge message to go for it. And 98.7% accuracy.
Nice.
98.6. Pretty good game from both sides. It was a very balanced game. Let's dig it up. I tried to trade queen so that have a very solid position, because that's all very good at tactics. And put knight in the center, trade here, take, knight f3. Black has a bishop pivot. White position is very solid. Just develop my piece. Take. I win this pawn. Rook c2, protect weapon. King f2. Take. It's just a draw here. I just have to a blender, just pivoting here out here. I played another game. So versus Euro, I was drawing, but I tried to win and I lost. A completely equal endgame. So fortunately, this game I managed to make that draw. There's nothing that Black can do. Just king, and here I just push weapon so that I can king up, and well, I can take this one. And here now it's completely equal. As I drew just when black push upon, I take my bishop, and black cannot win with king bishop versus king. It's just a draw. And then Joe continue to play on, and but doesn't accept Joe offer or make draw. So after in eternity here, just one last trick is when we push, just take the one with a bishop, and here it's a draw, and here Joe take a pawn, and it's a draw. Pretty equal game. When accuracy, try to exchange queen, but I tried to exchange queen. Maybe bishop e3. I can play bishop e3 is best, so that I don't enter into a tactical game where the computer is better at calculation. Okay, thanks for watching. If you want to see me play another bot, you can watch this video. See you guys later.